Chewy. You don't have to go home. We're just going outside, go potty.
I love you. I love you. My sweet one. Hi there.
You go to Grandma's house? Okay. Bye. Have a good day. Have a good day.
Oh, God, I love it, but please.
Lola, it's time to go. Oh.
Right here. Give me a kiss. There. Do you like that?
I gotta go. You put your paw there. I gotta go. Where's your grandma, Bob? Where's your grandma? Oh my goodness! We have to go home.
Comfy?
She has. You can't see her paw that's wrapped. Her arm is wrapped around my back.
Are you hugging
It's
your
back
grandma?